Mom's Famous Beef Shish Kabobs. Get those grills fired up, folks, because I'm about to spill the beans on the most delicious, crowd-pleasing recipe you'll ever lay your hands on, Mom's Famous Beef Shish Kabobs. These juicy, flavorful skewers are the stuff summer cookout legends are made of. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is guaranteed to bring smiles to the table. Let's talk about that marinade. It's the secret weapon that takes these kabobs from good to out of this world delicious. Imagine this, a symphony of tangy soy sauce, bright lemon juice, savory Worcestershire, and a hint of zesty mustard. It's a flavor explosion that transforms simple beef cubes into tender, mouth-watering morsels. Okay, enough teasing. Here's the lowdown on how to make these magical kabobs. Ingredients: serves 4 marinade, cup soy sauce, cup vegetable oil, cup lemon juice, 1 tablespoon prepared mustard, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coarsely cracked black pepper. Kabobs: 1 pound lean beef, sirloin or top round, cut into 1-inch cubes. 2 green bell peppers, cut into chunks. 1 red bell pepper, cut into chunks. 1 large onion, cut into chunks. 16 mushroom caps. 8 metal or wooden skewers, if using wooden. Soak for 30 minutes in water. Instructions: make the magic marinade. Whisk all the marinade ingredients together in a large bowl. This is where the flavor party starts. Marinate that meat. Add the beef cubes to the marinade. Give everything a good stir to make sure each piece of beef is coated in that deliciousness. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. The longer the beef marinates, the more tender and flavorful your kabobs will be. Prep the veggies. While your beef is soaking up all that goodness, chop up those colorful bell peppers, onion, and mushrooms. Skewer time. Get creative. Alternate pieces of beef, peppers, onion, and mushrooms onto the skewers. Leave a little space between each piece for even cooking. Grill master mode activated. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Once it's nice and hot, carefully place those gorgeous skewers on the grates. Grill for 6-8 minutes per side, or until the beef is cooked to your liking. Tip: use a meat thermometer to check internal temperature. 145 degrees F for medium rare, 160 degrees F for medium, 170 degrees F for well done. Feast time. Slide those beauties off the skewers and onto plates. Serve with your favorite sides. Think potato salad, grilled corn, or a fresh garden salad. Pro tips: customization is key. Don't be afraid to switch up the veggies. Zucchini, cherry tomatoes, or pineapple chunks would be amazing additions. Don't overcrowd. Leave some breathing room on those skewers to ensure everything cooks evenly. Baste for bonus flavor. Brush any leftover marinade onto the kabobs halfway through grilling for extra flavor, and to keep them moist. All about the options. Serve with a variety of sauces like chimichurri, tzatziki, or a creamy garlic dip for an extra burst of flavor. These kabobs are a guaranteed hit. They're juicy, packed with flavor, and endlessly customizable. The best part: they're surprisingly simple to make, so even if you're new to grilling, you can master this recipe. It's time to upgrade your summer grilling game. Remember, cooking should be fun and adventurous. Experiment with different variations. Try new dipping sauces and let your taste buds guide you. If you love this recipe, be sure to subscribe to our channel for even more delicious ideas to spice up your kitchen routine.